Hello, myself Dr. Syed Nazim. I'm a consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon. Let's talk about the cost of hair transplant in India, and well, it depends on a lot of factors. First is the kind of the baldness. Fair enough. It depends on the doctor's expertise. It depends on the number of grafts which are required. It depends on the clinic. It depends on a lot of other factors. Now, if we talk about the donor area and the recipient area, first let's talk about the types of baldness. Well, hair transplant can be performed both in males as well as females. In males, we divide the baldness as per the Hamilton-Norwood classification from 1 to 7. So 1 being less of a baldness, just the recession of hairline, and grade second is the hairline starts receding more. As we go towards the scale 7, grade 7, there is complete loss of hair around the vertex area, and this all becomes bald. So accordingly, the number of grafts used will be decided. And for the female, we have Ludwig classification, which is called female pattern baldness. So both in males and females, we can do hair transplant. The second important component in deciding the cost is the donor area. The second important deciding factor is the donor area. The donor area is ideally the hair around the occipital area part of our scalp. The second best is the beard area. Then last comes the hair from the chest and the back, even the pubic area, we can yield the hair. So these are the important things which decides the cost of the hair transplant. Apart from that, doctor's expertise, doctor's qualification. This is something which is very, very important. For how long doctor has been performing the hair transplant, and what is his expertise, the equipment he is using, the setups, like I am associated with Max Hospital. The associations are equally important. So these are some deciding factors which decide the cost of the hair in India. But if we roughly say, it varies from clinics to clinics. It's something roughly from 20 rupees a graft, and it can go up to 80-90 rupees a graft. As I said, depending on expertise of a doctor's setup, patient's requirement. Sometimes if the number of grafts required are more, accordingly the costing will be high. The type of the hair transplant which you are doing, like you are doing FUE, you are doing DHI, or you are doing FUT techniques. So these are all deciding factors which decide the cost of the hair or a hair transplant surgery. I hope this has been informative video for these kind of queries, and in case you have any questions related to the cost of the hair and type of hair transplants which are done, please feel free to contact us on below mentioned contact numbers. Thank you very much.